Hi, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to make a bow for your wreath. I used 4 ribbons, scissors, 1 pipe cleaner, and a bowdabra. You can use any type of wire to tie your bow. I like to use the pipe cleaner because it's the easiest for me. Starting with the thickest ribbon, the length of the tail is going to be about 10 inches. You can make it shorter or longer as you want. So because I'm using this for a wreath, I'm gonna make it long. So you're gonna make about 5 loops for your base. After you make a loop, you're gonna twist the ribbon so the print of the ribbon is showing on the outside and not on the inside. So you make a loop and then twist and try to make both sides even. And then you do another one and twist, and so on. After you finish with the first ribbon, you get your second ribbon. I'm going to be using a blue ribbon, and I will be doing 4 loops on this one. And the same is going to be about 10 inches long for the tail. And then make the loops on both sides. So you pretty much repeat the same process as the other one. Okay, so now with the third ribbon, on this one I would do about 3 loops. The tails are going to be a little bit shorter than the other ones. I believe it's about 8 inches. And then I'm adding the last one. So it's the same process. So this is just to put it all together and then tie all your ribbons. After you do this, you make a knot on the back of the bow. That way you can tie it to your wreath or whatever you're going to use it for. Now, this is the way I do to cut my tails, the end of the tails. So just fold it and then cut. Fold it in half. After you cut all your tails, you're going to fluff the bow. Starting with the bottom and then go to the top. After you're done fluffing the bow, you work with your tails. So pretty much just pull a little bit. That way they don't look flat. And that's pretty much all you have to do. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want any other bows or any different techniques. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.